Bank Review. Is this the best German digital bank in 2025? Bank has been making waves as a digital-first bank in Germany, but is it really the best choice in 2025? Let's take a closer look. Bank offers a mobile app with instant account opening, contactless payments, and competitive interest rates on savings. Most people get this wrong. They assume digital banks compromise on security or features, but Key uses strong encryption, biometric login, and real-time fraud monitoring. You won't believe what happens next. It also provides integrated investment options, allowing users to manage savings, and even retirement accounts directly from the app. Account setup is quick and fully digital. You simply verify your identity via video call, fund your account, and start using it immediately. There are no hidden fees for standard services like transfers, card payments, or account management. Some limitations exist. International transfers may have fees, and certain premium services require subscription tiers. However, for everyday banking, combines convenience with transparency. So, is Key the best German digital bank? For tech-savvy users seeking a fully mobile, secure, and feature-rich experience, it's a strong contender. Traditional banks still have the edge in branch access and cash handling, but Key excels in modern digital banking. The surprising truth is that digital banks like Key are not just alternatives. They're redefining how people manage money in Germany, making banking faster, simpler, and more accessible than ever.